This video was built to provide quick reference to the selection shortcut keys. Hit the hyperlinks in the press column of this panel to display associated video segments. Hit the Ctrl+A keys to select entire worksheet. Select current and next sheet in the workbook by hitting Ctrl+Shift+Page down keys. Select current and previous sheet in the workbook by hitting Ctrl+Shift+Page up keys. Extend selection by one cell using the Shift and arrow keys. Extend selection to last non-blank cell in row or column using Ctrl+Shift+Arrow keys. Start a new line in a single cell using Alternate+Enter keys. Fill selected range with formula bar contents using Ctrl+Enter keys. Complete cell entry and move to cell above using Shift+Enter keys. Select entire column in worksheet using Ctrl+Spacebar. Select entire row in worksheet using Shift+Spacebar. Select all objects on worksheet when an object is selected using Ctrl+Shift+Spacebar keys. Extend selection of cell to beginning of worksheet using the Ctrl+Shift+Home keys. Select current region around the active cell using the Ctrl+Shift+* keys. Select the first command in menu when visible using the Home key. Repeat last command using the Ctrl+Y keys. Undoing the last command using the Ctrl+Z keys. Expand grouped rows or columns using the Shift+Page down keys. Collapse grouped rows or columns using the Shift+Page up keys.